So good morning, everyone in Australia, and good evening, everybody in North America. This is Danish, and we are in weekly chart review to see how the market may behave in the next few days, uh, based on what uh, has been the pattern in the last 1 week or so. So starting with the S&P 500 futures, that's ES. Um, we had a big bull run in in the last 2 days, Thursday and Friday, and that's where we are at. It's borderline overbought state, and this warrants some healthy correction or a red day. And this is more uh, in this pattern like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 days up, straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight days up, and today most likely, or worst case scenario tomorrow, would be a red day. And whenever such rallies have happened in near past, year and year, the longer it keeps on going up, the stronger are the red days whenever they happen. Uh, so looking at it on a weekly chart, and this is showing something similar, shooting up after a high base formation like pattern here on a daily, on a weekly chart. And right now it's just shot up. Should consolidate here, or if it does not consolidate, it may come down harder. So that's it for ES. Going to NASDAQ. So NASDAQ just cleared the resistance at 12,897 and is, let's see how it is behaving on daily. NASDAQ did not have that kind of rally as ES had, but if S&P 500 shows some correction, NASDAQ would also show something similar. Um, the weekly chart on NASDAQ is um, still trying to get back inside this channel, or maybe it's time for me to redraw this new channel, probably starting here. I have to draw a new channel starting here to accommodate this trend. But this is doing relatively better than yes. Let's go to Russell. Russell is way out of the line now. It's time for Russell to probably consolidate here. If not, it'll be a big red candle. And this is a weekly, so weeklies are even more stronger trends. Let's see what happens on daily. Daily has started feeling the resistance already at 2,111. So this may come back down inside this channel. If not, uh, this has to uh, have even stronger correction in that case. Russell. So all those people who are investing in TNAs and IWMs should be careful about Russell. Um, and NQs for TQQs and QQQs, people who are investing in TQQs and QQQs. Let's see, Dow Jones. Dow Jones is showing similar behavior as ES, though it has shown some restraint here. Was showing facing some resistance on the last 2 days, or the 3 days. That's the long wicks at the top. It's facing resistance at the top. Let's look at it on a weekly. Weekly is not uh, again rather more in sync with ES, like the long wick at the bottom and a candle shooting up. So essentially, all these markets are in entering or getting very close to overbought state, and this is what it uh, shows here, that they may go into consolidation or correction in the coming week. Let's quickly go to XJO, that's Australian Securities Exchange for people in Australia. This is doing good because uh, this week it bounced back from the bottom of this channel. Though again, at this point, it should have a small candle like this at the red line of this channel. So, oops, sorry. Looking at it daily might give us more idea. Yeah, so this week it should stay around on this line, the red line, and uh, the small candle on weekly is result of big price action across the line like this. So um, it should have a doji like candle on a weekly right at this red line. Australian Securities Exchange. Let's quickly go over Nifty for people who invest in India. Nifty is back inside the channel, like we discussed last week, and Nifty has been on a relentless move up. And I guess when S&P 500 or all the major American markets consolidate, Nifty would show uh, the same behavior, a bit more amplified probably because it's smaller relatively. So Nifty may actually show some resistance or consolidation right here as it enters into this channel. So that's it for me. You may unmute yourself and feel free to ask any questions that you may have.